I'm Ben Whishaw and you're watching Lifeminute TV.
Well, the thing about filming a movie like this is it's like so fast and furious because it's an independent film and time is money, so you just kind of keep going and pushing through to the next day and, finish work and think about what's coming up the next day. But it's exhilarating. It's fun to work with people that you admire, and it's weirdly less exhausting, I think, when you're feeling like you're having a great time with the people you're working with, enjoying those experiences. You're a little tired, but it's exhilarating. As a mother, obviously it's like we're very different people. I didn't look to relate to her necessarily. I looked to understand her and make sense of her, so I could really know her and everything could feel very real to me and really have a sense of what she was looking for and what her objectives were and where her head was. But I didn't look to find myself in her in any way, or my experience as a mother.
Thing that I wanted to make sure I was listening and not just trying to be smart, because I think just pay attention to the people you get to work with. I'm still not sure, but it worked out, and I guess what I've been telling people is that I just collaborated with people who wanted to make the same film, and so we knew if we were in the pocket or not in some capacity.
I play a kind of new age guru. Oh, it was so amazing. I've been a fan of Jennifer for such a long time, so it was really a treat, and she's just incredible. I think it can help keep us sane somehow, because we can really look at human beings on this screen and get some distance and maybe understand each other better.
Watching Jennifer in some of those scenes, we were all fighting to be just eye lines. We were I don't care if I'm not in the shot, please, well, I'll do it. And yeah, watching her was just it was film school, honestly.
I played Dion in the film Bad Behaviour. He's just one of the clients that's in the retreat along with Jennifer Connelly's character, and we're kind of just they're supporting the story and helping Alice out.